How to change your crypto.com password step by step. The very first thing you want to do is simply open your crypto.com from your any browser, or you can get the application if you want to. Just make sure that you are logged into your account. You can simply tap on that menu bar on the top right. You'll be able to see login. Tap on that one, add in all of the credentials of your account and log into your account, right? Once you're logged into your account, you'll actually be able to simply get to the settings icon on the top right corner, where you'll be able to get to your settings and keep on scrolling from there until you see the security option. Tap on security, then you'll be able to simply select the option change passcode or password. Tap on that option change passcode or password, and you'll be able to follow the 2FA steps in order to confirm it. If you have set up that 2FA, you'll need to set that up, and you'll need to confirm it, and of course you need to add in your new password of your account. Once you do that, you'll be able to confirm it. That way you would be able to change your crypto.com password.